Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to install Node.js on your Ubuntu machine using NVM, which stands for Node Version Manager. This method is super useful and easy if you want to manage multiple versions of Node.js on your system. So let's dive right into it. First, let's make sure our system is up to date. Open terminal and run the following command: sudo apt update and press enter key. It asks for system password. Type password then press enter key. Now our system is updating. Then type command sudo apt upgrade and press enter key. This will ensure that all of your installed packages are up to date. If it prompts for any confirmation, go ahead, type Y and press enter key. Now the system is up to date. After that, open browser and search Node.js. Click on download option. Download page is open now. Then select package manager, then Linux using NVM. Copy line 2 and paste in terminal. Then press enter key. After downloading, close and reopen your terminal to run NVM. Now, let's verify that NVM is installed correctly by running command nvm-v. If everything works fine, you should see the version of NVM that's installed. Great! Now we are ready to install Node.js. Copy line 5 and paste in terminal. The cool things about NVM is that it allows you to install multiple versions of Node.js and switch between them easily. NVM install ---- LTS install the latest long-term support version of Node.js, which is the recommended version for most users, and press enter key. Once that's done, you can check the install version of Node.js with this command node -v, then check for npm version by npm-v. If you even need to install a different version of Node.js, just run command nvm install and node version. Sorry, typed wrong. Type nvm install 18, press enter. To switch between install versions, use the command nvm use and version. And that's it. You are successfully installed Node.js using NVM on your Ubuntu machine, and you can now easily manage multiple versions of Node.js. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. If you have any doubt or run into any issue, feel free to leave a comment down below and I will do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching.